Hey Tia, where's my hat? Here you go.
Thank you very much. Hey guys, it's Tia and Andy here, and today we're bringing you our list of what to pack for an all-inclusive.
That's right, we're going to somewhere that's beachy and sunny again, our favorite. Okay, so this video, there's going to be a lot of similarities to the what to pack for Puerto Rico video, so go check that guy out if you haven't already. But this time we're going to an all-inclusive, so there's going to be quite a few differences. He's getting into the mood already.
Arriba, arriba! Alright, so to start, the first thing you're going to want to look into packing is going to be your clothes. Now, we split our clothes into 3 categories, and the first category is beachwear, because we're going to be on a beach. Alright, so for beachwear, you're going to want to pack things like a bathing suit, a cover-up. So girls, you know, you have your own cover-up. Guys,
it's really easy. Pack a bunch of tank tops and t-shirts.
The cover-ups are really useful for when you go to lunch, because usually you can't get into the buffet area without having something over your bathing suit. It doesn't matter if it's see-through or not, you just have to have something on. Other beach things that we usually pack include water shoes, because we like to go exploring and climbing rocks and, you know, going all around the beach. So it helps you to not cut your feet. Yep, you'll want to pack a hat, protect your face from the sun. Definitely pack some sunglasses. Those are key. And goggles. If you want to go swimming or snorkeling or kind of look around while you're swimming, definitely pack a pair of goggles as well.
Water glasses. Alright, so then the next list is going to be your lounging around clothes. So your lounging list. You are going to spend plenty of time at the beach, but you're also going to be lounging around on the resort. So, boys, what do you pack?
A tank top!
Tank tops, t-shirts, anything like that, but also keep in mind that sometimes you might go hang out at a fancier bar, go to an a la carte, so you may want something a little fancier, a button-up maybe, or yeah, just bring a button-up, then you're completely covered. On top of that, maybe you want some pants. I know, it's really hot.
Probably a good idea.
Yeah, right? What about for the girls?
Alright, loungewear, I would suggest, you know, tank tops, t-shirts, shorts, and then for the a la carte, as Andy mentioned, you usually want to be a little bit more fancy. They do usually have a dress code, so I really recommend a nice dress or a skirt. It is really hot in Mexico, so having the dress or skirt is nice and breezy.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, the last category of clothes that we usually bring with us is clothes for an excursion or working out. So you do have the option in most all-inclusives you go to tack on excursions. For example, in Mexico, we are going to Chichen Itza, which is the Mayan ruins. So we're planning to pack some gym type clothing, some running shoes that we can walk all day in, and stuff like that. So if you are doing an excursion, or if you want to hit the gym, a lot of resorts do have gyms now, you'll want to bring that type of clothing with you as well.
Alright, so the next category is footwear. Okay, like Tia said, there's usually gyms nowadays, so we do recommend something that's an all-around walker. We love these Vessi shoes. They're waterproof, they're light, they're comfortable. You can walk around in them and go to the gym.
So comfortable.
So good.
And
highly
waterproof.
recommended. Go check them out. Highly recommended, made in Canada, all vegan according to their website.
The comfiest shoe. That's all I'm gonna say, so comfortable.
Next category of shoes is Sandals or flip-flops for walking around in the resort on the beach. Very important. If you're going to be wearing something like thongs, bring a few pairs just in case they break.
And by thongs, he means foot thongs.
Foot thongs. Yes.
Our next category is going to be sun products. And Andy, please bring up the magic bag.
Ooh, the magic bag you say.
The magic bag. Thank you very much. All right, because you're gonna go to a beach destination, it is very, very important to bring sunscreen.
We recommend at least 1 bottle per person per week for the rub-on ones, 2 per person per week for the spray-on ones.
And more sunscreen.
See, 2 people, 2 sunscreens.
We actually have a 3rd bottle. It's just not shown here. We also like to get nice and tan, so we also bring tanning oil with us. This is optional. If you like to tan though, we put this on top of our sunscreen. We don't just wear this. Very important to stay protected from the sun. And lastly, we bring a water bottle with us. Also very important to stay hydrated. You're going to be in a lot of heat, and if you're like us, you can actually bring 2 water bottles, 1 for water and 1 for...
Maybe not water?
Maybe not water, you know, whatever else you want to put in it. Maybe a beer, maybe a Cuba Libre, but also bring a water bottle for water. Now, one thing that we always forget, and we actually finally remembered this year, is something to put all of this stuff into. So we went on Amazon and we got ourselves a nice beach bag. So we got this on Amazon. It was a pretty good price. It's pretty big. It says you can fit 4
towels.
4 towels in here. So with between 2 of us, 2 towels, plus all of our sunscreens and water bottles. We're hoping this will be really good. Plus, this bag came with a couple of extra perks. It came with these waterproof phone cases. We don't know if they're actually waterproof, but we're gonna try them out. And it also came with a beer opener.
So now you're fully equipped to enjoy your non-water on the beach. Hey, how's my breath?
Oh my gosh, you could use some toothpaste or mint.
That's not what you want. That's why you never want to forget your toiletries. Toothbrush, toothpaste, face wash, moisturizer, got anything else?
Yes, ladies, detangler.
Oh.
I repeat, do not forget the detangler.
Do not end up like Monica.
That's true.
For guys, some hair gel, anything to keep yourselves clean and looking presentable.
If you have a beard, maybe some beard oil.
Yes! I gotta put that in my bag right after this. But yeah, stuff like that, anything to keep yourself clean.
This is why I make the packing list. All right, our next category is going to be entertainment. And this is actually also something we forgot to bring last time. Entertainment.
Are you sure we're good at traveling?
Apparently not.
We do make the best of it.
So entertainment can include things like books. If you like to read while you're lounging at the beach or the pool, a book is a great thing to bring. Or if you have like a Kindle or a Kobo, download the books that you want, bring them with you. We also recommend bringing playing cards. You can play this in the lobby bar at night while you're having some drinks or having a coffee, or if you have any other like smaller board games that you can fit into your suitcase, definitely bring those with you. The last item on that list, I like to bring headphones with me because I like to listen to music while I fall asleep on the beach. Anything to add, Andy?
Yes, there is. You are bringing a bunch of electronics. There are 2 things I would like to remind you. Number 1, sand gets everywhere. So put your electronics in some sort of baggie, even if it's just a Ziploc bag. Your screen will thank me. 2, you want everything available offline, or at least a good amount of stuff. So if you're using Spotify, download your songs. If you are using a Kindle, download your books. Even if the resort says that they have Wi-Fi available, do not depend on it. Or you might be napping a lot, which is usually what I do.
That's not so bad either.
No, that's not so bad. Actually, this is probably the most #1 recommended bring it item on the list, which is cha-ching! Some cash. You will need some cash at the resort. You will need to tip the waiters. You will need to tip the staff. You will need to tip the ballet. You will need to tip everyone so that you have a good experience. Plus, you may want to buy some knickknacks. You may want to order some room service.
You may even want to head off of the resort one day and you'll need cash for that.
That's right. But before you jump straight to their currency, do some research. Usually it's USD. But for places like Cuba, they actually prefer Canadian dollars. So do some research, and we recommend about 200 American dollars per person, which is about how much we're going to bring to Mexico this time around.
And this brings us to our last category of items to pack with you on your all-inclusive vacation, which is the miscellaneous category.
Misc.
Miscellaneous would be anything else that you need that we have not covered in here. We actually have quite a few things on our miscellaneous category.
That's right.
We have some medications. We like to pack Advil with us, and we also like to pack Gravol in case you eat something that makes you feel sick. So any other medications that you might need, or your family that you're traveling with might need, definitely pack those along. One thing that we also forgot to pack last time when we went to Cuba was bug spray.
To be honest, we never even just thought about it.
Yes.
But we
got eaten alive. Eaten alive! So this time we're bringing bug spray with us in case it is very humid and there's a lot of mosquitoes at night. You can put the bug spray on and not be eaten alive. Anything else in the mist category?
Yes, if you have kids or if you are big kids, then you'll want something to play with. So this time we're thinking about bringing some of our pool floaties. Maybe a little sand shovel, a bucket, I don't know. Some of these things. Anything else that we need to bring?
I think that's it.
She thinks that's it. Couldn't have made it to the end of the video. I do have one more thing. If you are like us, you have cameras, etc., bring some extra SD cards, camera batteries.
If you're bringing your laptop, bring your laptop or bring an external. In case something happens and your SD card goes in the water, at least you'll have things backed up.
That's right. But yeah, that kind of takes us to the end of our list. Let us know in the comments below if you missed anything.
Yeah, is there anything you would pack that we didn't cover? We want to know, because we apparently forget things.
Yeah, we have a couple days left, so comment. See you in Mexico!
Arriba!